Hello, everybody. Bill O'Leary, and I'm coming to you live. It's part of our Thirsty Thursday series. So I'm an attorney, elder law, estate planning, probate with Legacy Planning Law Group in Jacksonville, Florida. And every week I go live, usually on Thursdays, not always, but usually Thursday afternoons, talk about a different topic that I deal with in my law practice. So if you're thirsting for knowledge, you are in the right place. What I want to talk about today is securing your important legal documents and how to securely store them. So there are important sort of key estate planning documents that you should have, such as your will, well, maybe better yet, a living trust, also a living will, a financial power of attorney, and healthcare advance directives. Also things like birth certificate, marriage license, social security card, maybe a passport, driver's license, and medical records. These are really your important legal documents. And it's important to secure these important documents somewhere so that your loved ones are able to easily access them. You don't want your loved ones to have to go on a wild goose chase, rummaging through your house to try to find them. So, what are the options? First, I want to talk about the paperless options. A lot of people today are really trying to become as paperless as possible. So what are the options? One, what's known as an external drive. So some people choose to store their data on external hard drives or maybe memory sticks, USB sticks. And while managing these documents in a way that's sort of more electronic on these devices is a good way, you do have to scan them, typically, or save them somehow. And now understand this, just scanning, let's say, a will or a power of attorney into, let's say, a PDF does not create a sort of a legal copy, but it is much easier to locate documents, the originals, if you have scanned copies. Using an external device, what it can do is it can make sure that you have them sort of at the ready. Not only, let's say you're at home, but let's say if you're traveling, you can bring that thumb drive with you. Another option to go paperless is in the cloud. So a lot of people are using online storage devices, data storage devices, and that keep this information in the cloud. So that way you can share your important legal documents and files securely with your loved ones. Online file storage options include things like maybe Google Drive, Apple iCloud, Microsoft, what's called OneDrive. And these services already offer free limited storage in the cloud, and if you want additional storage capacity, you'll have to pay for it. There's also a mobile app called Mind Your Loved Ones, MYLO, Milo for short. This is a service that offers secure storage for your electronic files, and it can let you store those critical, let's say, medical information, healthcare directives, and other essential legal documents on your smartphone. And with it, you can send information directly to healthcare providers, insurance companies, or trusted friends or family members, okay? There's also something called Everplans. It's another sort of digital storage option which lets you organize and store some key information for free. There's also a premium plan you have to pay for, and they charge you a yearly fee, and it gives you access to a wider range of options and support. But whichever service you use, do your research first. Now, what if you're not comfortable using these digital devices or online storage? Well, just maybe ask a family member that may be more versatile with this stuff to help you set up your digital file system and show you some of the basics. And if you're not sure, you can always ask maybe Google or an AI assist to help you locate your computer settings for these features. Remember, run your backups regularly to keep the information up to date. And then there's good old-fashioned paper records, okay? And a lot of people still prefer to maintain paper records. No, don't be embarrassed by that. No problem with that at all. Where would you keep them? Well, your home, maybe. If it's in your home, better in a fireproof and a waterproof safe, or If not, if you don't have a safe, you might be more comfortable with them in a safe deposit box at the bank. That's not a bad idea at all. Now, how you choose, how you decide to store your important data really depends on the amount of labor and time you're willing to invest in it. Safely storing your financial and other valuable personal data, a lot of times it's a combination of both, paperless and paper. Finally, just a word of advice, a suggestion. Get some help from an estate planning attorney. Estate plans and priorities, they change over the years. That's why it's important to update your information on a regular basis, and certainly after significant life events. Make sure that your executors and your trustees and your agents under your advanced directives and powers of attorney, that they're going to be able to find the information quickly when they need to. A good estate planning attorney can give you things like checklists and other resources to help with organizing and storing your legal documents. And they can also, the attorney can also do a complete review of your assets and your records and identify anything that might be missing, any gaps. Want to learn more? Well, we can help. So go ahead, start a free 15-minute discovery call with our team to basically tell us what's on your mind and the help that you need. Just go to legacyplanninglawgroup.com, our website. Click on the Book Your Free Call button, pick the day and time that works for you, or if you happen to be seeing this on our YouTube channel, just click on the box that's appearing at the bottom of this video that's popping up. It's a clickable link, takes you to our same booking calendar. And again, that discovery call is complimentary, okay? By the way, if you've enjoyed this video, we would ask that you like it, and if you do happen to come to our YouTube channel, subscribe to it, and you'll get notifications when we put up new content. So I hope you've enjoyed this talk about how to securely store your legal documents. I'm going to be back next week, next Thursday, with another Thirsty Thursday topic. Different topic, same goal, to quench your thirst for knowledge. So Bill O'Leary, signing off for now on behalf of everybody here at my firm, Team Legacy. Go make it a great day and make it a better world.